Coming to the next question, that is question number 11. Prove that parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. Circumscribing means inside the parallelogram a circle is there which touches all the sides of parallelogram. To prove a rhombus, what we need to do? First thing is parallelogram. It is already given. Second, adjacent sides are equal. Parallelogram is already given. We need to prove that adjacent sides are equal. So let's start. I will try to prove that AB and DA are equal. Let's start. What we have? AP will be equal to AS. PB will be equal to BQ. Then what we have? DR. This DR is equal to DS, and RC, this is equal to CQ. Adding all this, why they are equal? Tangents from external point, that's why they are equal. Adding AP plus PB plus DR plus RC is equal to AS plus BQ plus DS plus CQ. Now AP plus PB will give you AB. AP plus PB will give you AB plus DR plus RC. DR plus RC gives you DC. AS plus DS gives you DA. BQ plus CQ gives you BC. What about AB and DC? AB and DC, these are the opposite sides of parallelogram. So both will be equal. In place of DC, we can write AB. DA, BC and DA will also be equal, so we will write DA. Twice AB is equal to twice DA. 2 cancels with 2. What we got? AB is equal to DA. Here we have to write parallelogram whose adjacent sides are equal is a rhombus. So this was your question number 11. Coming to question number 12. This is a very special kind of question. Question number 12. Find the value of AB and AC. What is given? A triangle ABC circumscribing a circle. CD is given 6, BD is given 8 centimeter. You have to find AB and AC. Let's start with this. We have to find AC and AB. If this is 6, this will also be 6 centimeter and this will be 8 centimeter. To find AC, we need to get this part. Let it be X. And this part is also X. Name it. Let it be E and F. Can you tell me complete AC? It will be 6 plus X. Similarly, complete AB, it will be 8 plus X. Now, what we are going to use here? We will be using area of triangle ABC is equal to, we will divide it into 3 triangles. Join these. This is 90 degree, this is 90 degree, this is 90 degree. So we have divided into 3 triangles. First is this one. Second is this one. And third is this triangle. So area of triangle ABC will be equal to area of COB plus area of AOB plus area of AOC. First we will find the area of triangle ABC. We will be finding this area with the help of Heron's formula. For Heron's formula, first we have to find S. S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. A 6 plus X plus 8 plus X plus 6 plus 8, 14 upon 2. What we got? 28 plus 2x upon 2, or we can say 14 plus x. Now area is equal to under the root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Put the value. S is 14 plus x, S minus A, 14 plus x minus 6 minus x. 14 plus x minus 8 minus x. 14 plus x minus 14. X cancels, 14 cancels. What we are left with? 14 plus x. Here 14 minus 6, 8. 14 minus 8, 6. We are left with this thing. Solving this, what we will get? And we are left with x as well. While after solving this, you will get 4 under root 3 x multiplied here 14x plus x square. This was area of triangle ABC. We will get the area of COB, AOB and AOC. Now we will get the area of AOCOB. Area of COB. Actually in this question radius was given to you. Radius was 4 centimeter. So this will be 4, 4 and 4. How we are going to calculate the area? Half. This is base and this is height. So area of COB will be half into base is 14 into height is 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 to the 4 comes out to be 28 centimeter square. Area of AOC, half base is 6 plus x into height is 4. What you will get? 12 plus 2x. Area of AOB is equal to half base is 8 plus x into 4 gives you 16 plus 2x. You got these three areas and we have area of triangle ABC. Now put the values in this here. After putting value, what we will get? 4 under root 3 14x plus x square, and on the right hand side we have to add this. What we will get? 4x plus 28 plus 12 plus 16 gives you 56. Now to solve this, you can write this as it is. Take 4 common, x plus 14. These 4 cancels. Now you have to remove the under root sign to get the answer. Squaring both sides, you will get 3 into 14x plus x square is equal to x plus 14 whole square, and you will be getting x square plus 196x plus 28x. And when you are going to rearrange, you will get an equation as x square plus 7x minus 98 is equal to 0. Splitting the middle term, 14x minus 7x minus 98 is equal to 0. X plus 14, x minus 7. So x comes out to be minus 14 and x comes out to be 7. X cannot be negative, so x is equal to 7. AC was 6 plus x, means 6 plus 7 gives you 13 centimeter. AB was 8 plus x, gives you 8 plus 7 is equal to 15 centimeter. So that's all for the day. You have to complete this exercise by today. Thank you.